it's been a while, but today's video is going to be just me carrying through my day. I work from home, so I just wanted to show you guys what I do during the day. I watch lots of A Day in My Life as a UX designer, but it's so weird, I don't really see lots of people like me, so I thought it would be good to just show other people like me out there that want to become a UX or UX to post more, and show what I do during the day. So normally I would wake up and start my day by just clearing the house and tidying up. I usually wake up like an hour before my work time, so I start work at 9 and I will usually wake up at around 8. I mean, get off bed around 8 and just like tidy up and everything. And I would usually make like a light breakfast. So this morning I had croissant and tea, and I started work at 9. Right now it's currently 10:16 and I'm waiting for my meeting at 10:30. So today I have like 3 meetings. The first one is a review session of some designs I'm working on, so I need to pull in one of the person in charge of the project, so to show him some designs that I've done and get feedback. That's very, very important before you go all in into designing so many frames and screens. Make sure you get feedback at every time possible, just so you're not working blindly and then you get to do the review and nobody likes what you've done. So try to get feedback. Initially I wasn't comfortable with like getting feedback or something, just because you think, okay, am I not good enough? But at the end of the day, I think I'm getting used to it, and I know that it's not about me being good enough, it's just being able to get feedback on the work I'm doing and improve the work and make sure that I deliver what the client really wants. So yeah, I have my meeting at 11:30. Normally every Monday we have a general company meeting at around 1, but today's meeting was cancelled. So that's not going to be happening, and I have a last meeting for 2 o'clock, I think. Yeah, so I set up a weekly meeting with the person I report to, just to every Monday, just to sit down with him and update him on what I've been doing, what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the week, and if there's anything I need to report to him, like give him what I've done, like a research or whatever. And yeah, just get feedback on some things I've been doing and go on and improve on that, and also just to actually ensure that I'm always on the right direction and I'm doing the right thing and I'm contributing to the team as much as possible. So yeah. Oh, I forgot, in the morning I try to have like my to-do list, just to write down, like, I don't know if you can see, yeah, just to write down like things that I need to do for the day or things I'm working on. So let me show you guys my workspace. So I have this light that I got from our wedding. I just put it here just to jazz up the vibe in the room, because I'm working from the room, and I have my old laptop where I just put there to listen to music and do other things that is not work. And I have my laptop here, which is mainly for my work, my cup of tea. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm sitting right in front of the window, so my space is quite bright, and especially for meetings when I need to show my face, like it's bright and it looks nice.
You just have it, you're able to, for the user to show the multiple options.
Yeah,
which is a good feature for sure. But we're gonna keep it in the phase 2 maybe. But why?
just finished my first meeting and it went really well. I got lots of feedback for my design. I'm really happy. I'm on the right direction. I just need to obviously implement the feedback that I got, and before the end of the week we are gonna have another meeting and I'm gonna show him the updated design. Yeah, but apart from that, I was really happy with the work. That's good. So yeah, my next meeting is not until 2 p.m. now, but I'm gonna keep working on the design and shuffle, like I said, shuffle between the other features that I'm working on. That's with another team, so I'll try to do that. But yeah, before I do that, I picked up some stuff from Sephora during the weekend. Let me show you guys. So this one is the Dior, yeah, the Dior Backstage foundation. So my makeup artist for my wedding used this foundation on me, and ever since I've been looking for it. I thought about getting it from the airport when we were coming from France, but it was sold out, so I went to Sephora and grabbed this because I loved my makeup for my wedding, and I literally just asked for like a list of products that she used, and I went to her page and saw some other product that she uses, and I went to like get this. It's not cheap, but I love the foundation on me. Hopefully when I'm applying it myself, it looks as nice. And I also got this Huda Beauty baking powder, or loose powder, yeah. So yeah, so I got this in the shade Coffee Cake. This is what it looks like. It's quite a lot. Again, these things are not cheap. And sorry, my foundation is in 8N. That's my shade. This is like the second to the last shade or something like that. I'm dark and I love to look dark when I love to look my color when I do my makeup. And I also grabbed this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter highlighter. I'm not sure she used this, but I just needed a new highlighter, so not highlighter, I just needed a new concealer, so I grabbed this because a couple of people talk about Fenty Beauty product like makeup and all of that, so I wanted to try that out. And lastly, I got this Morphe lip gloss. If you know me, I don't wear lipstick, like I prefer glosses. So, and I remember having a lip gloss of this same shade from Maybelline, which I got from the UK, but ever since I moved to Canada I've not been able to like get it, so I got the same shade but another brand, Morphe. And yeah, I'm super excited to try all of this product, especially the foundation, because God knows I struggle every time to find like a perfect foundation that I like. I got one last thing. I got like a face oil for my face, just because I feel like all my makeup product and skincare product are matte, and sometimes I just want to glow, like especially when I'm not wearing makeup. I don't want my face to look dull, I just want to glow. Like I used it this morning and I love it. I'm gonna step out quickly because my husband and I need to go out quickly in between work. He's also currently working, but he's gonna get a break in between. Then I'm gonna be back before 2 p.m. for my meeting. Yeah. Yeah, I should be back. It's just like a couple of minutes to step out, but I should be back for my meeting. Instead of taking my break, I'm just gonna take my break now and quickly step out. So I'm back. It's boiling, so I'm just looking to finish my meeting and maybe moving into the living room because we got the air conditioning in the living room. So I just had my last meeting for the day, and yeah, it's a wrap. It was such a good meeting. I had great feedback, and I'm gonna continue to work on my design now for the rest of the day. I'm actually making lunch. and this is about 2:30. Yeah, so 2:30. I'm making late lunch because I've not been able to grab something to eat. But yeah, that's basically how my day goes. I'll normally round up work around 5:30. Yeah, and just wrap up for the day. But yeah, my camera is gonna die. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions regarding being a UX or UX designer, please make sure you leave it down below, and follow my professional page on Instagram at UX Campus. I post tips, strictly tips for anyone interested in transitioning into tech or UX. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you some other time. Bye.